The first kiss ever. I was in first year of college. I knew him from when he was in his third year of high school. We became close because of one thing, and that was love. He had a girlfriend and I had none. I told him every detail of my life, and about my feelings for my crush, and he did the same thing. He cared for me more than his sister, and I was doing the same thing to him. I just didn't know that I was beginning to like him, because he was 2 years younger than I was, and besides, he had a girlfriend. That summer, we had a youth camp in our place. We really had a great time together, and when it was time to rest, he accompanied me to the tent, with his feet outside, because girls and boys weren't allowed to sleep together, but there were too many mosquitoes that he let his whole body get in the tent with the door open. But the insects started to get in, so we decided to close the tent, and we were sleeping side by side. We talked and talked when suddenly, he asked me, "Why do I love you?" I answered him saying, "Because God said love one another." Then, he smiled, and kissed me on the cheek, and there was silence. After a while, he embraced me and said, "You'll never forget me." I nodded, but then he told me the same phrase again, and I hardly heard him. When I asked him, he suddenly kissed my lips and hugged me. After that, I really didn't know what to say or do, because I was really shocked and shy. I just turned my back away from him, and looked at the stars above. He listened to the beatings of my heart, and asked me why my heart was beating so fast. I blamed him for that. The next morning, he looked at me, and when we got the chance to talk, he teased me with the question, "Who was your first kiss?" I just smiled, because I can't forget the time his lips touched mine. That was the time that I proved to myself and everyone, that first kisses are always the sweetest. Especially if it's an unexpected kiss.